everyone, this is May. So tonight guys, our dinner is bilang isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong, this is our dinner soup. Yes, tongkwa soup. Tongkwa is winter melon in fish. Then we have our yao ma choy. Yao ma choy is a Chinese lettuce. Yes, that's yao ma choy. Ang ano nito guys, texture is crunchy and like bittersweet. Then we have our boiled shrimp. So ang boiled shrimp natin is naghanda ako ng sausawan, which is chili and toyo or light soy sauce, which is I love spicy. Masarap siya guys kapag may toyo. So ang ano pala natin, ang ating pagkain is ganito lang siya. Kunting portion but balance. So, ang ating yao ma choy or Chinese lettuce is stir fried sa garlic. Pero masarap din ito siya guys, stir fried sa black beans. But dahil nga, mga high blood mga kasama ko na matatanda, so I have to cook in less salt. So, itong extra bowl is dyan ang lagayan ng ating kinakain na mga gulay or soup, or dyan din tayo hihigop ng sabaw. So, minsan, gumagamit din ako ng soup spoon. Pero dito guys is direct sila sa bowl na humihigop. Parang probinsya lang ba? Ganyan lang. Then, we have our sausawan. So, itong winter melon or tongkwa is pwede rin siyang gamitan ng toyo with chili. And yung shrimp natin. Basta masarap siya guys kapag may sausawan. It's delicious. So that's all for tonight. Ang dinner natin bilang isang OFW dito sa Hong Kong. Wala na tayong kanin kasi nga marami na tayong soup and shrimp and gulay. So if you like any of my videos or the video helps you, please do share it to your any social media platform or to your YouTube community. And please do visit my YouTube channel if you are watching this video through YouTube. And if you are watching this video through Facebook, please do visit my YouTube channel. Thank you again for watching. This is May. Stay well.